What's up guys, hello and welcome to my channel Khan Marketing. In this video I will show you how to earn $9.80 for just doing few clicks. I will show you step by step what is the website name, how to make money from this website, how to get training, and at the end I will show you some of the payment proofs that will depict that this system is a legit one and people are actually making money from this system. But before actually starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel Khan Marketing, then here I am showing you all the money making tips, digital marketing concept, and how to become an entrepreneur. So if you are interested in these types of videos, subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. If you wanted to earn money using my most recommended system, then I recommend you to be part of that Commission Hero community. I will put that link in the description box, and it is actually a course from ClickBank's #1 affiliate who is making $50,000 per day and even more than that. This is another success story from a guy who has just started making money from $300, $200 per day. So you can also start your journey with this system and start making $1,000 per day, even more than this, by becoming part of this group. So I will put that link in the description box. If you're interested, you can be part of that platform. So now let's move to that system, how you can earn $9.80 just by doing few clicks. I will show you first the name of this website. It is known as remotask.com. The platform interface is just look like this. Just move to this platform, create your account for free, click on the sign up button, and here you need to provide your basic information. And once you're done with this, just move downward. You can see that how it works. Sign up, get paid weekly via PayPal, take exams. We have tons of exams for you to take, work, do tasks in categories you have unlocked. So basically first step is to create an account with this website. After that you need to pass an exam and they will provide you the training, and once you have completed that exam, now you can find different tasks and complete those tasks and make money. Once you have enough balance, you can get that money into your PayPal account. So pretty simple stuff. What are the tasks look like? Just I will show you what types of tasks you can find here in remotask.com. These are drawing boxes around cars, moderating content, identifying spam, categorizing t-shirts, and even more descriptive you can find that image annotation, drawing boundaries boxes about various objects to help determine what's where. So just you need to drawing that box. Categorization, help identify keywords that describe images. What's an image? Code, purple, cotton. OCR, image transcription, transcribe important content from an image. Comparison, draw bounding boxes around various objects to help determine what's where. Audio transcription, transcribe voice recording for people to read. Data collection, search the web and collect data about anything. Apart from this, you can also need it to be perform some other tasks as well, but these are some major categories and most of the tasks are related under these categories, and these are some of the honors or admin management and some of the success stories. So if you just move to their FAQ section, you can get the more idea about how do I task. Once you create your account, you'll be able to start taking exam courses and exam at Remotask University. So here you need to take that course and exam, and after that you can start earning after passing your first exam. So you will get all the idea here how you can withdraw your earning. You can get it at your PayPal account. So there is no minimum to get paid each week. That's excellent. So that's all. There is a what happens after training. You will be provided totally bootcamp training, and after that you need to pass an exam and you are good to go. So pretty simple stuff. And if you wanted to see people's success stories or earning proof, just move to this forum, beermoneyforum.com, and from here you can see that there's a proof from a guy. If I just refresh this page, $616 at the PayPal account, and just move to another payment proof, $9.80. Thank you for the hard work. And if you just move to or read some other people reviews, you will find ton of success stories here, and there are a lot of pages. Payment received $1.2, $7, $5.5, $4, and just move downward and you can see that this site is a legit for PC only Chrome browser. And there are just you keep finding tons of success story here. Last week I only cashed $2.29. hopefully this week I can reach for $20. And just move downward. You can see here, just go to different pages. I have just shown you the first page. There are 20 or even more than different pages out there, and in which people have shown their success stories. So pretty legit stuff. There is no point or no issues about this company. Here you can see the logo legit, and it is paying to its members, and no problem with this website. I hope anyone who have not started their journey online, Remotask may be the site to earn your first $1 and even first $100. So that's how you can start your journey online. I hope you like this video. If you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you.